Naomi Home presents the Landon Pushback Recliner Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This recliner comes as shown with a dual-function foot extension and a reclining back that will surely help you to unwind and distress. To get started, insert one fabric protector washer on each of the 4 legs. Then attach the 4 legs onto the seat base. Now, connect the backrest onto the seat base. Make sure it clicked in. Finally, align the place. When seated, hold the armrest and push back with your torso to recline. To seat back up, hold the armrest and push forward with your torso. And there you have it, your Landon Pushback Recliner is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.